For those who've never used ChatGPT, here it is. Here's a free version, and I'm just going to give you a little tutorial how you can use it. Yes, you could ask it to give you prompts and things like that. That's good. You also can use it to help you offload some of your workload. That I'll do a different video about. But today, let's just look at a simple prompt that we could ask if we're struggling with content. I'm struggling creating content as a therapist. If I can spell today. Therapist. Give me 3 pain points, 3 desires, and 3 positive goals my clients want to reach. I hit enter, and it's going to give me some pain points. When I see these things, these are things that I could talk about if I was a therapist. I could talk about how they feel being emotionally overwhelmed, relationship issues, that's always going to be a big one, self-esteem. The desires, this is what they want. I got emotional stability, healthy relationships, personal growth. And then I got positive goals. These are things they want to do. Now, most people will just copy and paste this. This is more so to jog your mind around how you can come up with your unique approach to it or your spin on these subjects. So I wouldn't advise just copying and pasting and throwing it in to social media or something like that. But I would advise maybe using these to jog your memory and then look at your analytics to see, are these type of posts working? As always, if you need help, we have a community that helps you get through these pain points. But this is a simple way that you can use ChatGPT, the free version, to get you going. Take care, guys.